Hey there, welcome to Next Level English. In today's video, we're going to challenge your grammar skills with 35 MCQs. Can you ace them all? Let's find out. 1. Which of the following is a correct sentence? She goes to school. Tips: always use correct subject-verb agreement. 2. Which sentence is in the present continuous tense? She is walking to the park. Tips: present continuous tense includes is or am or are plus verb plus ing. 3. Which is a compound sentence? I like tea, but I don't like coffee. Tips: compound sentences connect two independent clauses. 4. Which sentence uses the correct past participle? They have written a letter. Tips: past participles often use have / has with verbs. 5. Choose the correct future tense sentence. I will go to school. Tips: use will for future tense construction. 6. Identify the adjective in the sentence. She is wearing a beautiful dress. Beautiful. Tips: adjectives describe nouns, like beautiful here. 7. Which sentence is grammatically correct? He doesn't like coffee. Tips: in English, doesn't is used with the base verb. 8. Which sentence uses a preposition correctly? She walked in the park. Tips: in the park is the correct prepositional phrase. 9. Which sentence uses the word and correctly? She is happy and excited. Tips: and connects ideas smoothly. 10. Which sentence is written in present continuous tense? He is playing football. Tips: present continuous tense uses is or are plus verb ing. 11th. She, a book. Is reading. Tip: use the correct form of to be, is or am or are, plus verb ing. 12. They, to the park yesterday. Went. Tip: yesterday signals past tense, use the verb's past form. 13. I have. Apple. Un. Tips: use in before words that start with a vowel sound. 14. We are friends. Good. Tips: good is an adjective, which describes a noun like friends. 15. The cat is sleeping. The chair. Under. Tips: consider spatial relationships. The cat is likely under the chair. 16th. He. Not like pizza. Does. Tips: use does for third person singular present tense with not. 17. Your favorite color? What? Tips: what is used to ask about a choice or thing. 18. My brother is. Than me. Taller. Tips: then indicates comparison, requiring the comparative adjective. 19. This is. Book. My. Tips: use possessive pronoun my before a noun. 20th. They. Playing football now. Are. Tips: use are with plural subjects in the present continuous tense. 21. She has. A new dress. Bought. Tips: use the past participle of the verb to buy with has. 22. We. To visit the museum. Want. Tips: use the base form of verb with plural subject we. 23. He is a boy. Quick. Tips: use adjective quick to describe the noun boy. 24. The flowers are. Pretty. Tips: the adjective pretty describes the noun flowers. 25. English. Learn. Tips: use the base form of the verb learn with I. 26th. They. Not at home. Were. Tips: use were with the plural subject they in past tense. 27. There are many birds. The tree. In. Tips: birds in general are within the branches of a tree, hence in. 28. She has. Brother. 2. Tips: the word needed is the numerical value 2. 29. He. TV every evening. Watches. Tips: use third-person singular watches with present tense. 30. This is expensive car. Tips: use in before the vowel sound of expensive. 31. We very happy. Are. Tips: use are with plural subject we in present tense. 32. I will. A movie tonight. See. Tips: use the base form of verb with modal verb will. 33. He is at playing chess. Good. Tips: use good as an adjective to describe his skill. 34. Which sentence is correct? She can sing. Tips: can is followed by the base verb. 35. Which word is an adjective? Beautiful. Tips: an adjective describes a noun. If you enjoyed this quiz, don't forget to hit like, drop your answers in the comments, and subscribe to Next Level English for more grammar challenges. Keep leveling up.